Here's a simple method to shift your mindset about money and attract more abundance into your life quickly. Start by putting $100 in your pocket and carry it with you throughout your day. Pay attention to all the things you could buy or do with that money. Even if someone says that $100 doesn't buy much these days, mentally spending that $100 multiple times a day adds up to a positive focus on money. This exercise will change how you feel about money, leading to a shift in your attraction point and allowing more money to flow into your life. It's a universal law. Some may not have $100, but even if it's $20 or $50, or even if it's just an IOU, the key is to carry something that makes you feel prosperous. Avoid carrying anything that reminds you of debt or lack, as this goes against the purpose. By acknowledging your current prosperity, you'll naturally attract more abundance into your life. Many people feel they lack financial abundance because they believe there's a limited amount of wealth available. When they see others enjoying success and wealth, they may feel unjust or deprived, thinking there's not enough for everyone. This mindset holds them back from attracting abundance. However, others' achievements don't affect your own potential for success. Your abundance is determined by your thoughts and perspective, not by what others have. Criticism towards those who are prosperous often stems from a sense of lack within oneself. People may believe that criticizing others' success will make them feel better, but it only perpetuates feelings of lack. This criticism arises from a desire for achievement that isn't fulfilled, leading to discomfort when witnessing others' success. Negative emotions indicate a conflict between your desires and your current thoughts. It's important to redirect your thoughts to align with your desires and find harmony with your true self. Understanding that you create your own experiences by controlling your thoughts can be challenging for many people. Most believe that taking action is the key to making things happen, and they also think that pushing against unwanted things will make them disappear. However, this approach doesn't align with the laws of the universe. Instead, focusing on what you want attracts it closer to you, while focusing on lack attracts more of it. When you relax and trust in the universe's laws, stating your desires and allowing them to manifest, you invite abundance into your life. Conversely, if you struggle with your finances, you push abundance away. Feeling ease about your financial situation allows more abundance to flow to you, feeling negative emotions when others excel. Financially indicates that your current thoughts are blocking abundance in your life. Criticizing others' use of money also pushes abundance away. Realizing that others' actions with money don't affect you and focusing on what feels good to you aligns you with abundance in all aspects of your life. We want to share with you the abundant nature of the universe and the endless possibilities available to you. However, we know that simply hearing our words won't automatically change your beliefs. Your own life experiences shape your beliefs, and they are deeply ingrained. We acknowledge that you can't immediately let go of your current beliefs and adopt new ones, but there's something you can do starting today that will significantly impact your life without needing to change your beliefs right away. Begin by telling a more positive and uplifting story about your life and the things that matter to you. Instead of writing your story like a factual report, focusing on the pros and cons, tell a magical and inspiring tale about the wonders of your life. You'll be amazed at the transformation that unfolds before your eyes. It may feel like magic, but it's actually the result of aligning with the powerful laws of the universe. Whether you're worried about not having enough money or not having enough time, you're still focusing on the lack of something you desire. This resistance keeps you from attracting what you truly want. Feeling overwhelmed because of a lack of time not only affects you mentally but also blocks opportunities and assistance that could help you. Instead of dwelling on your packed schedule or financial constraints, start telling yourself a different story. Complaining about how much you have to do or how little money you have only pushes assistance away. The universe is ready to cooperate and support you, but you deny yourself this help by focusing on lack. If you're constantly worried about money, you're preventing yourself from attracting more abundance. You need to shift your mindset and start feeling abundant before abundance can manifest in your life. As you release the feeling of scarcity and become more open to possibilities, you'll notice doors opening, people offering help, and new ideas flowing to you. Changing your emotional state allows you to tap into the energy that creates opportunities and transforms your reality. Sometimes people worry that their past focus on scarcity has permanently affected their ability to attract abundance. However, there's no need for concern. While you can't change the past, your power lies in the present moment. By choosing to focus on better feeling thoughts now, you immediately shift your point of attraction. The impact of past negative thinking on your life today is only because you've continued those thought patterns over the years. Beliefs are simply patterns of thought that you've consistently maintained, but you have the ability to start a new pattern, to tell a different story, and to change your vibration, thus altering your point of attraction. A simple exercise like mentally spending a specific amount of money and envisioning an improved lifestyle can significantly shift your financial point of attraction. By deliberately imagining the feeling of freedom that comes with financial abundance, you're signaling to the law of attraction, Loe, to respond to your new vibration. Remember, the Loe responds to your vibration, not your current reality. If you keep focusing only on your current circumstances, nothing will change. But by visualizing the lifestyle you desire and maintaining your focus on those images until you feel relief, you're signaling a true vibrational shift, paving the way for tangible results in your attraction of money. At times when you're aware of a shortage of money, you might feel an intense desire for everything you see. This uncontrollable craving can torment you when you lack the funds to spend, or cause even more distress when you give in to the cravings and overspend, accumulating debt. However, this craving to spend money under such conditions is actually a false signal. It doesn't stem from a genuine desire to possess those things. Buying more items and bringing them home won't satisfy that craving, because what you're truly feeling is a void that can only be filled by aligning with your true essence. You may currently feel insecure, inadequate, or lacking, but your true essence is one of absolute security, adequacy, and abundance. What you're yearning for is a vibrational shift, not the ability to make purchases. Once you're able to achieve and maintain personal alignment with your true self, money will naturally flow into your experience, if that's your desire. You'll likely spend large amounts on things you desire, but your purchases will feel different. You won't be trying to fill a void. Instead, you'll feel genuine interest and satisfaction in what you're acquiring. Every part of the process, from the initial idea to its manifestation, will bring you joy and satisfaction. Don't let others dictate how much money you should have or how you should spend it. Only you can accurately define that for yourself. Align with your true essence and allow the things you genuinely desire to flow into your experience. If this message resonated with you, I warmly invite you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others to spread its valuable message, and feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and joining us. Take care until we meet again.